What's up, YouTube? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, we are actually working on things now, guys. We are actually getting some cars done. We finished the Porsche, the little Porsche build I thought came out pretty nice. We have been doing some figures lately. For the last 3 weeks, I've been trying to nail down this little army of Warhammer stuff that I'm kind of painting. I kind of want to get into painting some of those. So I've got some guys at work that are into that Warhammer thing, and I'm kind of painting me up an army. Maybe I'll mess around with it a little bit, but we are working on a couple cars right now. The 64 Galaxy still in the works. It's kind of sitting here on hold for a little bit. We got a little bit of cool stuff happening behind the scenes with that. So we have dug into our rally car group build, the Lancia 037. I bought a couple nice little kits through Spot Models, some 3D printed kits for the front suspension, the rear suspension, the engine, such. So we are working on that little by little. So I just really kind of dug into it yesterday some. So, and well, I did ruin a part on there. I broke one of these, the part of this front end, and I just dropped part of it again on the ground. So I did break some of this, so I had to order another one, which cost me another $44. So that will be coming in. So we're a little bit on hold with that, and it'll give us a few extra parts with this. So so I have to kick that to the side. I can start prepping some more of this. I probably will start prepping some more for the rest of the week, and I'm going to dig into the Willys kit. So let's go ahead and turn this camera around. I want to show you guys where we're at, the direction we're going to go with the Willys, and maybe get some opinions from you guys on this Lancia kit. So show you the direction where we're going with that. We have about, I don't know, 6 or 7 kits started here, but I need to start finishing some. So I'm going to stay focused on the Lancia and the Willys kit. So let's turn the camera around, guys. Hope you guys like what you see. Come on, guys, follow me. All right, guys. Here is the Lancia kit. And again, that is this kit right here. Let me see if I can shrink this down a little bit. And we'll pull it back just to show you guys. This is the Hasegawa 124th Lancia 037 rally car, 84 Tour de Course rally winner. We are going to do this, the Martini livery, and I did buy some cool stuff for this kit. I said I was going to do it box stock, and you know how we are here. We cannot leave nothing alone. So let's go ahead and I'll show you. Oops, sorry guys. I'll show you what I did order. I ordered this and this. So this is a detail up kit through Spot Model. I did go ahead and open everything. It's all in here. It's got the front suspension, which I broke this part. Or no, this is the rear where the engine goes in. It's going to go in something like this. And it's got the front part here, which I don't want to break it, so we got to be really careful with it. This whole front clip comes off of this car, so just like, yeah, okay, just like so. So it'll be something like that. I don't want to break it again, guys, because I just broke this one yesterday. That's why I have to reorder it. I am not sure, and because I got so much going on in the shop, I wanted to cut the back off of this and have it open up, and you can see all the detail, but I think you're going to see it all through this window. So we're just going to go ahead and probably leave it like this, and you'll see all the detail through the window. I'm sure that's enough to see the whole thing. So this will be able to be detached, and you'll be able to see the spare tire and whatnot, and all the detail on that. So it is going to be a full detail build. Some of this has to be cut up. And this is the piece that we dropped on the ground a little bit ago, guys. So it is going to have to be cut up a little bit to put all that stuff on there. So it's going to be an extensive build. So this is what we have been doing in the shop for the last 3 weeks. Building these little guys. So I still have to do the base for these, and I got so many Tyranids. I love the Tyranids. They are fun, and that's a lot to paint, guys. That's like 30 of those things. Lots of work went into those, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but I mean, I have a lot of work into these things. So anyway, that's it goes on and on, guys. That's what I've been doing lately. I've been working on those. So and we are gonna go ahead and pull this guy out and work on this. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and work on the Willys kit right here. And this kit was a friend of mine's kit that had passed away, and I was able to take a couple kits out of his stash, and this one here was one of the kits. So I've been working on it a little bit. I'm pretty sure it's all in here. I did cut the doors out of this. I cut the trunk out. We're gonna have fun with this kit. I love it when I cut the stuff out of these things. So I've got an extra body here, so I don't know what we're gonna do with that. I'm sure this kit's gonna take us in places. It's just gonna get crazy. I think we're gonna put a Hemi in here. I gotta find a good Hemi out there to put in here. So I definitely want to run a Hemi in it. We'll just have to see where it goes from there. So this is going to be a fun kit right here. I can't wait to get on this one. Kind of gives me a fresh palette, you know, because I can go any color with this, opposed to the Lancia. I have to stick to a livery and a color. This here I can do whatever I want. So this is going to open up my wheelhouse again, get us going, get us back, the juices flowing, all that other good stuff. So, and it's going to be nice to get back into a car. So that's my passion, model cars. I do like painting figures and Warhammer and creatures, stuff like that. It actually does relate to the hobby. Like, I mean, you can relate some of this water-based stuff and fades to interior stuff. I mean, it goes that far, and if you start learning about it, it opens up a lot of avenues, a lot of doors. So you can see over here, I have a lot more to paint. I don't know if you can see. There you go. There's more there. And there's more to the left of me, stacked about, I don't know, 3 or 4 feet high over here that I got to do. And we're going to do them little by little. So with this being said, I kind of want to get on this while we wait for our parts here. Maybe I can get this thing into primer before the parts come, because they are coming from, I don't know, the UK, I think, or something. So could take a week or two. So see how far we can get with this, guys. But hey, I got to get to work. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I appreciate you guys watching. Why do you watch this crap? You do. I appreciate it. But we are going to get busy here, guys. We're going to start getting back in the routine of things. I did actually print one of these, Ron Olson's orange crate. I want to do it in a large scale, so that's where we're gonna end up doing this too. So this is just the one that I printed of this. I printed another one over here, but yeah, I want to build this in 1/16. And I've got a bunch of parts printed already. I might start sanding on this next week. So anyway, lots going on here, and I am getting ahead of myself again. So I need to slow my roll, come back to the Willys, and enjoy myself, guys. So hey, all is well here. Hope everything's good with everybody out there in YouTube land. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell. Check out our Facebook page, Chuck's Hobby Spot on Facebook. And why do you watch this crap, guys? Talk to you guys later. You guys take care now. Goodbye.